Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, smile today. We'll learn about the present perfect tense. This tense is very useful when we talk about something that has happened recently or something that started in the past and is still connected to the present. For positive sentences. For negative sentences. For question sentences. Exercise for practice. Comment your answers below. Speech balloon, let's learn together. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to practice and share your examples in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like, comment, share and subscribe your English buddy.